Yesterday, I forgot to do day 20, but happy day 21. All right. Just got one of those little milk chocolates for day 20. I cannot believe it is day 21, you guys. Look, only 5 days until Christmas. This is a new one. Hi, babies, don't worry. Has a little moon on it. Cute. I'm gonna save these for the kids. I haven't watched a Hallmark movie in a hot second, so I'm watching One Royal Holiday. Came out this year. Editing an Instagram picture too. And little one was playing and she's finally starting to calm down. She's getting so long now. Like she's like 2 of my hands now instead of 1. Getting big. Oh my gosh, you guys, a Hallmark movie has not made me cry in a while. This one made me cry. It's so good. Brunch time. We've got bacon, eggs, and biscuits, traditional today. I'm about to watch Elf, which is probably my favorite Christmas movie.
Oh, hello. You're probably here about
And wrapping presents. Well, we're really close to that present now. Wrapping presents. These are the remaining presents I have to wrap. So we got about 14 more to go. And little Holly is snoozing again. The first time I'm showing my face today, I realized. Little one is now up and being playful, right? Being a little niblet again. Look at this little playful thing. Anyways, I got about half of the presents wrapped. I'll show you them in a moment here. So I made good progress. I'm watching Elf, about halfway through Elf. Chris just dropped the kids back home. It was a nice visit though. We had brunch and we did gingerbread houses like you guys saw yesterday, and we watched The Holiday, which they seemed to really enjoy. And we had like popcorn and stuff then too, and we opened presents and had pizza. It was just an overall fun weekend with them. So now trying to finish up some more presents. Ow, Peanut, too much. 8. No. Anyways, we're going to be going over to my parents later because my mom made Spanish caldo, which is it's like a soup but a stew kind of. It's so good. It's so good. And she also made croquetas, which is like cod with potato. And and I think they're fried as well. They're really good. They can be overly salty though. I'm not a huge fan, but I will try like 1 or 2. I don't know, because it reminds me of my grandparents, to be honest. So, reminds me of my grandpa especially. My grandma used to make bomb ones and some awesome caldo too, but so does my mom. So we're going to just go have some little bit of dinner with them. And I think Haley and Brian are going to be coming over too for Sunday dinner. And little Peanut gets to, look at this, she's like attacking my string now. She's going to meet Brian and Haley for the first time. She loves being at Grandma's house. I think it's because It's like a smaller area for her to run in, so she doesn't wear herself out as fast, and she can go in and out the door pretty quickly. We have a doggy door here at our house, and she's starting to learn. I wish I had vlogged that earlier. She's doing so good. She wants to be like Lucy, you know, like the big girl. So she totally tries to go through the doggy door, but it's still a little heavy for her. It's like the double flap. So, okay, I'm rambling now, and I really need to get back to wrapping. So here are the few presents that I finished wrapping for now. And I'm going to wrap some more tomorrow. Look at this beautiful present that Haley got my mom. That was so pretty. So tomorrow on Vlogmas, you guys are going to see lots of cookies because I'm going to be making 3 cookies tomorrow. These cookies, I'm just looking up the ingredients again, but I make them every year. My brother's obsessed with them, and Chris and I are pretty obsessed with them too, and they're just called peanut butter cup cookies. And I will link, I'll link the recipe down below today, but I'll also link it tomorrow because I'm going to be telling you the ingredients and everything and showing you how I make them. But they're so good. If you love Reese cups or just peanut butter and chocolate in general, you need to try these. And they're so, so good. Anyway, so I'm going to make these pignoli cookies, which are a traditional like almond Italian cookie. I was going to say almond paste, but you use almond paste for it. I showed them last year, but I'll make those again tomorrow because I'm carrying on that tradition that my grandma used to do. And then I'm also going to be making everything in the kitchen sink cookies that are Christmas themed. So I'll be showing those tomorrow. And as you can see, I'm already preparing for the Reese cup cookies. You have to completely unwrap all of the Reese cups so that they're ready to go for the cookies. So I've done stuff. So when I was over Mama B's house today, she gave me and Holly a present early. And Holly actually did not mind being in this. So I'm really excited because now I can carry her around safely. So this is like a doggy bag. It looks like a purse, but it's really a dog bag. So there's 2 different liners. Like this can roll down and be completely covered, or it's the netting where she can see through. And I love these zippers because it's just super easy. I can't really do it one-handed right now because I'm holding the phone, but you just like kind of slide it down and it opens. She loves to just slip right out on this side though, so I wasn't opening the top. I just did it through this little compartment here. So this flips down, it's Velcro and a zipper, and then she can go in there like that. And it has like a soft, nice little cushy bottom there, and then this just zips back up. And you can also pull that down, but I left it up and I kind of curled it under this so that she could still see. But it looks super cute on. It's just like such a cute bag. It like reminds me of Legally Blonde for some reason, but I kind of love it. More than kind of. I really love it. So I'll have to show you when Holly's in it, but she didn't seem to mind it.